Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce myself. This is my first video, so it's important to introduce yourself so that people know you better way. So today this is about introduce myself. First thing, my name is Asma Miraj and I'm 18 years old. I originally am from Bangladesh, but I have been born and brought up in Oman, so I don't know anything about Bangladesh. I speak 4 different languages: English, Bangla, Arabic and Hindi. English and Hindi because I've been it's Oman is a Gulf country and I see a lot of people from outside the country here. So I've had many Indian friends and Bangla definitely my parents taught me and interest. So I have a lot of interest. I like locking myself up in a room and putting loud music and dancing my heart out or singing. I also like singing, but I can't dance nor sing. It's just all by myself. Then I like to dance. I like to read books. I like listening to music. I like going out and doing all crazy and stupid stuff in front of people. There are a lot of things I don't like than being like sitting at home and scrolling your social media. No, not something I like because I hate it. And my sister does this all the time. She will just whenever she has nothing to do, she will just sit at home and just scroll down her social media. I definitely have to do something in a day which I like. Being in my phone, definitely not something I prefer. No. Then other things I dislike is teaching children. My sibling. My mom is always teach your sisters, she's having why? She can study herself, but okay. If I have to teach her, she never listens to me. Whenever I say something, she will just do the opposite of it. I have OCD. OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. Everyone knows this. When you're obsessing over something, you have to checking the things. I check a thing more than 4 times. I know the door is locked, but still I have to just go and check the door so that I confirm my thing. And whenever I sleep, I need my room neat and clean. There's nothing should be hanging behind any sort of things, clothes, shoes. There should be nothing near the bed. I just have to move them away because I can't sleep if I have. Whenever I go to sleep, I come out of the room, I check outside the door if there is anything. I have insomnia, I have sleeping difficulties, I have a lot of dark circles. I don't know if you can see or not, but I have dark circles and I just can't sleep at night. Not every night or something. I like reading books, especially psychology. Psychology is so good. You can know more about people by looking at them. Psychology is something I like to read. Last thing about this is why I started a YouTube channel. I started a YouTube channel because I love making videos. Making videos is fun for me. Sometimes videos can also help other people in many different ways. If my videos are making people smile, that will make me feel happy. It can make them look at life in a different way. Okay, videos can make the people smart in a good or in a better way. They can also be inspired by my videos, also feel confident. So that's the motive behind my videos. With my videos, if people smile watching my videos, if people are happy, if people be inspired by my videos, that will make me happy. It's like just doing myself a favor. Yeah, and sharing my videos with you guys is something that I would love to do. I'm going to give advices, I'm going to do challenges and pranks, and also I'm going to just do something that comes in my mind. I don't know what I'm going to do for my videos now, but hopefully you guys will love my videos. And it's really important you guys love my videos, so I can make more, I can be inspired by your love. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me in this whole entire video. This really means a lot. I really hope you like my video. If you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of my videos. I will try to upload weekly, which I don't know yet, but hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Guys, also follow me in my social sites. The link is in the description below. Hopefully I will see you.